Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech Solution channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to filter emails on your Outlook. So guys, go to your Outlook. Now go to your profile. Guys, you can see there are many options like inbox, draft, archive, sent, snooze, deleted and etc. So guys, if you want to go to your inbox, then you have to select the inbox. So you are now on your inbox, and if you want to see the draft message, then you have to select the drafts. Then you will find all the draft messages. And again, if you want to see your archive message, then you have to go to the archive. So this is your archive message, you will find it. So as the same way you have to do the rest of the items. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.